guys, how are you? This is Felicia from Zhongda Smart Company. With so many different vending machines from the market, how should we choose the best one for us? Let's talk about this today. As we all know, product characteristics are based on the customer's demand. So, first, you need to confirm what you want to sell. If you have a clean target, such as selling eyelash, lipsticks, and beauty accessories, or this one, selling goods and drinks, congratulations, you can start a vending machine business. But if you don't know what to sell yet, don't worry, I can help you. You can try this multifunctional vending machine because the screen size and tracks can be customized depending on the size of the goods. It will help you what you want to sell. You can sell the small and the big the box of the eyelashes, or sell retail items are okay. Second, tell me the point and advice you want to sell. If you are in a big supermarket to make much money, but if you want to save more space, you can choose a mountain vending machine or a mini vending machine. About two problems have been solved. I hope a few details keep in mind, such as payment method, network affiliations, and environment outside or inside. You need to think about carefully. So, friends, do you know how to choose vending machine now? If you still have any questions, you can welcome to contact us anytime. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.